You just hit his head.
No, but it's color.
It's okay, you're used to it. When he jumps. He do somersault when he jumps.
Oh, shit.
Honey. Oh, baby.
Are you okay?
Oh. Come, we play over here with Steve. More than for you to play. He likes it, eh? I think it's the color.
Mm-hmm.
And it's really like fluffy. Aww. That's a birdie. Oh, what does Bobby have? What is like? Where are all these toys coming from? You spoiled.
You spoiled like Brianna.
Ooh, look at that.
You say, what the hell is that?
He's like, do I go after it? What do I do with this? Doesn't like this one.
Some of that's your drink there.
Yeah, I know.